Let's learn cooking words for all those little cute cooks. This is boil. Boil. This is pour. Pour. This is slice. Slice. This is bake. Bake. This is grill. Grill. This is fry. Fry. This is peel. Peel. This is simmer. Simmer. This is mix. Mix. Very good. Well done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos and moral stories.